Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, the leader of the Jamaica team, of Team Jamaica. Rightfully so, she had been leading for nearly 20 years. She had been leading for a while. She's getting all the flowers that her bouquet can handle. Will she pass the baton over to somebody? Can Tia Clayton pick up where she left off? Welcome again to Right Narrative. It's okay to be curious. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell for future video uploads, and drop a comment. The Olympics 2024, the Paris Games, is only 3 days away. Technically, it's 2 days and 20 hours away. And Team Jamaica is gearing up. They're getting ready. They are traveling. I think they were set to arrive on Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. So Olympics is here. It's literally here. Opening ceremony is less than 3 days away. And the athletes are gearing up. We haven't seen a lot of the athletes in a couple of days. The mystery is building, and I like it. The mystery is going up. It's bubbling up. The start of with 3 days away, the woman, the fastest woman in the world, is still Shericka Richardson, and Shericka Jackson is the 5th fastest, with Tia Clayton being the 6th. We know that our 100-meter team is Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, Tia Clayton, and Shericka Jackson. We have the 5th fastest woman this year, Julian Alfred out of St. Lucia, the 3rd fastest, and Shericka Richardson, the fastest woman this year. And a lot of people is banking on her to win gold. I cannot disagree. She looks good. The fastest man in the 100-meter this year is Kishane Thompson. Kishane Thompson is a literally an unknown. The guy came up like a puff of smoke and he's choking everybody. Noah Lyles he went back into training and he came out with a personal best that is a little better than Oblique Seville. So now Noah Lyles being the 3rd fastest this year, Oblique Seville the 4th fastest this year. A lot of people saying that means absolutely nothing in the grand scheme of things, because Noah Lyles running for his life, Oblique Seville slowing down, looking around, and still running amazing time. Kishane Thompson running, slowing down, literally stopping, walking over the line, running amazing time. Keem Blake running like everybody else, amazing-ish time. But leading up to the Olympics, I am sure that there are a lot of anticipation. We have seen a lot of people running. I've seen people running their mouth all over the place, and it is building anticipation. It's riling people up, and I like it. Do you like it? Drop a comment down below. Let me know what your expectations are for the Olympics, because some people are saying that Jamaica will be getting 14 medals very easily. We're expecting a gold in the 100-meter men, a gold in the 100-meter women. We're expecting a silver in the 100-meter men, a silver in the 100-meter women. We're expecting 4x1 relay gold in both men and women event, 200-meter gold in the women event. We're expecting golds galore. We're expecting medals for days. 14 is the minimum. And some think it's wishful thinking. I think that is good to be thinking at least for a minute, because a lot of people say that Yohan Blake is not thinking, he's just talking. And I do sympathize with Yohan Blake, because the guy is genuinely stressed out. He ran in an Olympics in 2012, which is probably the greatest Olympics of all time. And he was an instrumental athlete in that one. Leading up to the Olympics, he also ran at that stadium a week before the Olympics, and it was a dismal performance. And knowing that he was not going to get a chance to run in his final Olympics, emotions ran high, and he's getting a beating for it. Some think he deserves it, some think he does not. What say you? I really do believe that the Olympics, the social media is helping to promote the Olympics. People are being riled up, and we're expecting good days. We're expecting good days ahead. Last week, Noah Lyles single-handedly kept the track and field fans entertained. This week, Yohan Blake is playing his role, keeping us entertained at his expense. You know, they're digging up some old videos. I saw videos being digged up about Yohan Blake. I was like, oh my God, look at the guy having his girl training him. It's love. For those people who think it's anything, it's not professionalism, it's love. There's a time and a place for such things. Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, the leader of the Jamaica team, of Team Jamaica, and rightfully so. She had been leading for nearly 20 years. She had been leading for a while, and she's getting all the flowers that her bouquet can handle. Will she pass the baton over to somebody? Can Tia Clayton pick up where she left off? Because Shericka Jackson is no longer a little baby in this. She's a big giant. We're talking about somebody picking up, or should we wait for next season or the season to come after the Olympics to find out who will represent Jamaica at the level of a Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce? Because Jamaica only celebrate one champion at a time, but right now we have outgoing champions. So drop your comment down below. Let me know what you feel like is going to be the case for the Olympics 2024. Do you have any anticipation? Do you have any predictions? Rewrite narrative, like and share and subscribe.